Hello friend, welcome back. So last time we add a button which right on the macOS app to send out the advertisement from one of the peers, right? So in this video we'll switch to the iOS app and add another button to be the inviter, right? To invite the other peer, right? To invite the advertiser to start the communication. So this guy, in our case, is the macOS app, and the inviter which will create, right, is the iOS app. Okay, now let's stop this one and go to switch to the connect for iOS. Connect for iOS, yeah, this one. So let's double check is the status clean. Okay, iOS, let's open connect for board, connect for board dot this. Yeah, so we can run, right, 2 copies of Xcode, right? So let's put it here. So now, we need to add another button. So let's go to main storyboard. We still don't have the auto layout constraint for that, so we'll do that later. For now, Pro 9. Okay, so do we have the, yeah, don't worry about that. So let's add a button here. Wait a minute, I think maybe it's a good idea to add the constraint now. Yeah, 20 20 20 and aspect ratio, that's user 7 to 6. Yeah, 7 to 6. Oh, it's width to the height. Okay, now let's add a button to put it here. Make it bigger. Okay, is it big enough? 36. Yeah, multiple of 8. Let's add the constraint here. So top standard, right? Yeah, add 2 constraint. What is the title? In white. Oh, here, in white. Okay, now let's try it. Run it. Command R. Yes, great. So we'll fix the UI later. Okay, so this button is there. Now we need to control drag, right, this guy to our view controller, this guy. So hold on option key, click that. Where is our button? Here is selected, so we'll control drag it to here. hold down control key, drag and release. Oh, let me try it again. Oh, sorry. Wrong place. It's outside of the class. It should be here. That's why it refused to pop up. Action in Y, right? And UI button connect. Now we don't need this. Let's make sure it works. Put a print here. In white, button clicked. Right? Run it again. Click. Oh. In white, button clicked. Good, good, good. Now let's close this one and make it smaller so we can code for it. Okay. So now click again. Yeah, the button works. Cool. Let's make a commit for this one. So iOS, yes. Git status. Okay. Git commit -a edit button in white under connect for game board, right? And git status, yeah, clean, git push. Okay, so in white, so it means when we click the button, right, we'll try to invite the advertiser. So in to do that, we need to pop up a browser MC browser window. Oh yeah. So we can create that. Let's create a browser. It's actually the browser window MC browser view controller, this guy. Okay, so browser service type and a session. What is the service type? Remember, this is the unit short string representing our service. It's this guy, GT, right? GT dash. So it has to be exactly same here. So let me go back. Oh, the shortcut key is command tilde, right? The hold on command key, and the other key is the one above tab. Tilde, right? Yeah. You will switch among the windows of a same app, like this Xcode, right? We are cycling within all the windows of Xcode app. Okay, so now we'll put the here, paste session. Yeah, we need to create the session. So let's define the session here. Wow, we don't need the value, just the session, our MC session, right? Data type MC session, exclamation mark. We programmer will guarantee when we are using it, it's not nil. Okay, so we'll create a session here. Session equals MC session, like that. Peer security that encryption preferences. Yeah, we'll use this in constructor or initializer. Peer ID. Yeah, we already talked about that in our last video, right? So it means we still need to create the peer ID. That. No. Sometimes the auto complete doesn't help in this case. Okay, MC peer ID exclamation mark. Okay, we'll create the peer ID here equals MC peer ID. We did that in here. Similarly, yeah, right? Peer ID equals that, but on iOS is a little bit different from this part, right? There's another way to get the device name. Let's go back here. So this name, for example, iPad Pro, this one, or yeah, the real name on our actual device. So here, this guy is the name of the simulator. Yeah. So here we can use display what UI device dot current dot name. This one is not optional, so it's guaranteed to be non-nil. So we always have a name there. Okay, so peer ID, just put in this peer ID. Security identity, we don't need that, so put nil here. Encryption preference dot none, optional, required. We can use required. Now with that we can put the object here, right? Session here, and so we create our view controller. It will be like yeah, it will be a pop-up screen on our device. So what can we do with that? Yeah, with the browser ready, we can present. We can present this view controller. It means pop up the UI. But before that, we'll set our delegate, right? Delegate equals browser view controller delegate. Do we have that? Browser delegate, nearby service delegate. So yeah, we ourselves can be the delegate of this not this one. So oh yeah, it is this one, browser delegate. Okay, so it means we the Connect for view controller, right, adopts or conforms to this protocol. So it means we are we can be the delegate. Now we can present this one, the view controller to present. Yes, the browser. Animated, yes, true. Completion, we don't need that for now. What? Browser, command B. Cannot assign value to type MC. Browser MC browser view controller delegate. Oh my god. MC browser view controller delegate. So I made a mistake, I guess. Let's add it. Extension connect for view controller is MC browser view controller delegate is this guy. Browser view. Fix. Browser view controller delegate did finish. Okay. So nearby service advertiser. Yeah, we don't need this one, I guess. Coming out. Command B. Right. Sorry for about that. Yeah, we don't need this one. Nearby service browser. We need MC browser view controller delegate. Okay. So what we need to do here, we just dismiss. Browser view controller did finish, right? Or canceled. It means the pop-up window after we finish it, we can just dismiss it. This is okay, easy to understand. Completion. There's nothing to do here, so we can put near here. Or can we remove that? I don't think so. Let's see. Command B. Oh yeah, that's great. So it's like optional. True. It means canceled. It can be like there. It can be canceled, right? The action can be canceled by like incoming call or something like that. So command B. Yeah. Now let's go back to okay, present. Let's see. So if we click the button invite, right, we should be able to see a pop-up window. It will search for the advertisement from the advertiser. Run it. Command R. Click here. Searching. You see, searching. There's no one. There's no one sending out the advertisement. So let's cancel it. This time, let's go to here and launch our macOS app to send out the advertisement. Okay, put it here, and now let's see if we click this one, it's sending out advertisement. Now let's click invite. Yes, right, we received, we got the advertisement. So click it. Connecting. Okay, so remote service name is Neil. Choose connecting. Anyway, we'll handle that in our next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.